You know MMD is going to make me rich.
Really? So what does that mean for me?
Well, they say a way to a woman's heart is to make her some money.
I'll buy that. Okay, I'm game.
Well, go to www.moneymakerdiscussion.com. It's real and would show you how to make real money online. Not like the fancy gurus who lie and sell you poop.
You don't say. I will go to www.moneymakerdiscussion.com and check it out. Money is always good. So what do you want for this information?
Nothing, just seeing you happy is enough. MMD has made millionaires, and how cool would it be to be rich?
Wow, I feel tingly all over. Moneymaker discussion sounds so exciting.
Me too. Remember www.moneymakerdiscussion.com. It's for everybody.